Hi, my name is Emmanuel Onyinyechi Akawuaku. I'm a teacher in Choosing International Secondary School. I'm here to introduce to you our F-24 industrial air filter, which we just made newly. This is an advanced and improved stage of our F-22 filter that we did the other time. There are some improvements, and the improvements are from the body content to the internal content. Actually, you know that our F-22 air filter, we did everything with waste. Even the body, we use the old whiteboard waste, and recycled it to make the body, making it too light. And also the filters, we use cotton. But in this stage, we use a strong iron sheet to build this F-24 industrial air filter. And this F-24 industrial filter, the filter itself, we made it with wool. As you know, normally the filter works this way. You introduce aerosols, dust or other aerosols through this pipe. And when it enters there are 4 filters inside it. And inside that place, the 4 filters, it has to pass through the 4 filters and get to this chamber. And through this chamber, it brings out a clean air. If you want to clean it, these are 4 pipes that enters to the individual 4 filters for reverse flow of air, for you to use it to remove all the attachments on the 4 filters. Now, after you have cleansed it, you have to open here the down to remove every debris that you have got. Meanwhile, I want to officially introduce you to this our new powerful gadgets, F-24 industrial air filter. It is for cleaning aerosols in the atmosphere. We expect to move forward to build a better gadget for air filters. This time around, we are looking forward to build a digital air filter that can dictate the presence of aerosols in the environment. And when it dictates the presence of aerosols, it's be able to suck it through this place, filter it, and bring out. It will work somehow like an air conditioner, but it's more improved, mostly specific for aerosols, to detect aerosols, to filter it, and also to cleanse it. We expect to bring you more models of our industrial gadgets. We are out for solution, industrial, environmental, and all sorts of solutions to problems in the environment. That is what we are after. God bless you as we move forward.